MikeE Reads, Slob on My Knob by Tear the Club Up Thugs and 36Mafia.
Yeah, let's go.
All right. Slob on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job. Lay on the bed and give me Don't have to ask, don't have to beg. Juicy is my name, sex is my game. Let's call the boys, let's run a train.
Yeah.
Squeeze on my lick on my...
You can say nuts.
Okay. Lick on my butt. The natural curly hair, please don't touch. First, find a mate. Second, find a place. Third, find a bag to hide the hoe face. Real name Rover. I said bend over. I started to knock, then came on the odor. What? Smelled like mush. Should have had whoosh. Told her to stop and take a douche. While she did that, I didn't want the cat, so I bounced out and never came back. Suck a or something, suck a something, suck a something, suck a or something.
That was good.
And that was MikeE Reads, Slob on My Knob by 36Mafia.